Namaskar. Welcome to India Meteorological Department IMD in its daily weather briefing program of 3rd September 2021. In this briefing, we will discuss what is observed during past 24 hours and what is expected during next 4-5 days over the different parts of the country. So, as far as this daily rainfall is concerned, yesterday only light rainfall has been observed over major synoptic stations. For example, in Safdarjung it is reported 1.5 mm, over Palam it is reported 3.6 mm, Lodi Road 0.5 mm, Ridge 5.0 mm, and Nagar reported 0 mm rainfall. So this heavy rainfall activity over Delhi has reduced yesterday. So let us start with the presentation. So from this slide, we can see that yesterday this monsoon trough was very south of its normal position. It was started from Gujarat area, but today it has shifted its western and eastern end both to northwards. Now western end passes from this Bikaner and then Shivpuri and then Gaya, and eastern end moved to the northeast India. And as regard this yesterday's cyclonic circulation over Saurashtra and adjoining area now lies over northeast Arabian Sea and adjoining Saurashtra and extending up to mid-tropospheric levels. And yesterday's cyclonic circulation over west central adjoining areas of this west central Bay of Bengal now lies over coastal Andhra Pradesh and adjoining areas. And today we have seen a fresh cyclonic circulation over east central Bay of Bengal in mid tropospheric levels, that is between 4.5 and 5.8 kilometer above mean sea level. And yesterday's WD has now shifted a little southwards and now persisting in the lies over 65 degree longitude to the this 25-degree north, and trough in westerly is now lies over 19-degree longitude. So these are the major synoptic system. Other than that, we have today seen a shear zone over southern peninsular India passing through around latitude 10-degree north in this middle tropospheric levels. So under the influence of these synoptic systems, our weather over different parts of the country will be regulated. So as far as this right hand side map is received from the satellite imagery, we can see that under the influence of this northeast Arabian Sea cyclonic circulation, we have a good cloudiness over northeast Arabian Sea area, and also under the influence of Mysore over coastal Andhra Pradesh and adjoining neighborhood, we can see that there is a cloudiness over coastal Andhra Pradesh and adjoining areas of Telangana. And in fact, there is also a cyclonic circulation over northwest Rajasthan under the influence of this, and also under the influence of western disturbance. We have a good cloudiness over this northwest Rajasthan and adjoining areas of Punjab and Nehru. And there is also a cloudiness over northeast Uttar Pradesh and adjoining areas. So these are the main pockets where cloudiness has been seen from the recent satellite imagery. So this is the monsoon activity during past 24 hours. From left hand side map, we can see that from the red color patches over different subdivisions, we can see that this shows the big monsoon activity over this parts of Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and also over this Punjab area, and also over central India and adjoining peninsular India, that is Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, adjoining areas of Maharashtra and north into Karnataka, and also over Lakshadweep area. Otherwise, we can see that from the blue color and dark blue color, we can see that over southern peninsular India, like Tamil Nadu, Telangana, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Rayalaseema, and this south into Karnataka, and also over Saurashtra, Kutch, and western parts of Rajasthan, received good amount of rainfall, and hence this monsoon was either active or vigorous over these areas. Otherwise, green color shows that monsoon remains either normal over these parts of where green color shows. As far as the right hand side map is concerned, this is showing rainfall in terms of distribution over different parts of the country. So from this we can see that from light blue and dark blue color that widespread to fairly widespread rainfall observed over parts of northeast India, southern West Bengal, Andaman Nicobar Islands, and this southern parts of the peninsular India, and also over Telangana and Vidarbha area, and also over this Saurashtra, Kutch, and Gujarat area, and Rajasthan. and also the Konkan and Goa. Otherwise, dark blue color and blue color, dark green color or blue color, this shows this monsoon remains isolated to scattered rainfall activity received during past 24 hours. So this is the rainfall activity during past 24 hours in terms of quantitative. So we can see that this very heavy rainfall at isolated places over West Rajasthan, Sub-Himalayan, West Bengal, coastal Andhra Pradesh and Telangana and Tamil Nadu areas, and heavy rainfall has been realized over Haryana, East Rajasthan, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Rayalaseema, South Central Karnataka and Kerala and Mahe. As far as this quantitative values are concerned, this we can here listed 7 centimeter or more. You can see this. So that, for example, in this, for example, in Tamil Nadu, Kotha Gudem reported 13 centimeter. In South Central Karnataka, Tumakuru reported 9 centimeter, and so on. So this is the weather warning for today, issued by IMD. From this, we can see that isolated heavy rainfall activity likely over northwest Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab, and Himachal Pradesh, and very heavy rainfall showing by orange color over Telangana and coastal Andhra Pradesh, and isolated heavy rainfall also likely over interior and south interior Karnataka, Rayalaseema, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala areas, and also over Andaman Nicobar Islands. As regards northeast India and adjoining areas, there is a possibility of isolated heavy rainfall over Sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Assam and Meghalaya. As regards thunderstorm, most parts of the country likely to experience thunderstorm of category light to moderate and occasionally one or two places intense thunderstorm over parts of northwest India, central India, east India, northeast India, and also over eastern peninsular India. As regards fishermen warning, we can see that there is a possibility of squally weather and strong winds, speed reaching 40 to 50 gusts into 60 over North Gujarat and adjoining area during next 24 hours. So fishermen are advised not to venture into these areas. So these are the weather warnings for next 5 days. As we can see that today's heavy episode over the parts of northwest India will reduce from tomorrow and will continue this reduction amount of rainfall and heavy episode over northwest India during 4th and 5th. However, again from 6th September, there is a possibility of increase of rainfall over parts of northwest India from 6th and also continue over 7th also. So we have issued isolated heavy rainfall possibility over these areas, especially over Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh, East Rajasthan area, and also over this adjoining areas of Haryana and Punjab on 7th. So this is the fresh spell likely over northwest India from 6th onwards. And as regards this, actually there is a possibility of likely formation over north and adjoining central Bay of Bengal around 6th of September. So under the influence of this low pressure area, there is a possibility of increased rainfall over parts of this East India, Central India, and also over western parts of the country from 6th September onwards. And there is also a possibility of increased rainfall from 5th September over southern parts of the country. So this is the overall picture of weather warnings during next 4 or 5 days. So it is recommended kindly download our Mosam app, Damini app, Meghdut app, and all three are available on Android and iOS platforms. Kindly visit our Mosam website, that is mosam.imd.gov.in, and also follow us on Facebook and Twitter. And we are also uploading different videos, weather videos on our YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe. Thank you.